Hi, I'm Dr. Marta Katalenas. I am a pediatrician in Round Rock, Texas, and for over 20 years now, I have been advising families. And one of my special interests is nutrition, family nutrition. And a few years ago, I decided to put all my thoughts and my advice together, and I published this book, The Step Up Diet. And I titled it From Scratch: The Quality, Quantity, and Timing Solution to Childhood Obesity, thinking about the epidemic of obesity that we have here in America. And after a few years of introducing the book, I realized that there is something missing. And the piece that is missing is about baby food and toddler food. This is for families, and we believe that if we introduce you to making food at home when you have your baby or your toddler, you are going to be more successful at making food for the rest of the family. So I partner with my friend Candil.
Hi, Marta.
Hi.
So my name is Fer. I'm the chef at Paellas Tapas Amor Catering here in Austin. I met Marta when we moved here from Spain with our kids, and we are really need a good pediatrician. And now we are very excited to introduce you our new project, how to cook baby food at home for your babies, your toddlers, and how you can cook with your family all together, different kind of foods, easy way to cook, and always healthy and looking for your best interest. So the real thing is we are here to help you to cook your baby food at home and feel so good about your kids are not picky eaters kids. And that, I think that's so important.
That is very important. Yes. So baby food is good. The commercial baby food, we realize that is available, is always there, is easy to acquire, but we found a few problems with baby food.
Yeah, that's what I would really like to ask you about. What do you think about the baby food we found at the grocery store? Because I'm a chef, I don't feel so very happy. But probably you as a pediatrician can give us more tips about what do you think the real
Yes.
thing.
Yes, as a mother, I think it's expensive. You can do much better at home with better quality for less. That's number one. Another problem that I encounter when I visit the new, because now it is new since I had my kids, the new aisle of baby food is that all of it or most of it is sweet. And so they prepare vegetables, they add some fruit with the purpose, I suppose, to make it more palatable. Maybe they think the children are gonna, or the babies are gonna like it better. But at the same time, you are not really introducing the flavors that you want the child to be exposed to in order to like them when they are older or even when they are adults.
Yeah.
And the third problem that we encounter is the pouches.
Oh.
You know, all of them, or most of them, come in the form of a pouch. And you can see it in the office. Parents come, the child is a little fussy, here comes the pouch with good food. It is vegetables, it is fruits, it's good food. But the problem I see with not using the spoon or not needing a spoon is that you can eat it on the go, you can eat it anywhere. It kind of promotes snacking, using food as a, like in the office. They use it because the child is a little restless, they are tired of being there. I am sure they use it, I don't know, in the car, at the grocery store when your baby is fussy or your toddler is fussy. At the end, what we are teaching them is something that we don't really want to have, which is the association of food and emotions. So now the child is fussy or uncomfortable, and here comes some easy to administer food that you just have to open and eat right there, wherever they are. And so that is a big problem. That is what leads to obesity everywhere, not only here, everywhere, is the association of emotions and eating. And that's where we want to help you. We want to help you to teach your child to eat at the table. So we'll give you recipes, but also hopefully a little tips of on the side
Healthy,
how to create good habits.
Yeah, I think it's a great partnership. And do you know how long it's taking to prepare baby food for the whole week for your baby? You can't believe it. Less than 30 minutes. Marta.
Wow.
So we're going to show you how to cook in less than 30 minutes your baby food for the whole week. And we are so glad to do that with you, of course. So we need your support just with your like, or subscribe to our channel. And we hope you really enjoy cooking with us. And we are here to hear your voice. So all your comments, everything you can tell us to help to improve our cooking teaching and our tips pediatrician for you will be great. So thank you so much for listening us, and I hope to see you really, really soon. Thank you.
Thank you.